Hello everyone. So this is a very special video and it is for every creator, every creative person who wants and believes in creating their own products. So, even if you are a beginner and just going to start your journey with clay, I'm sure you will be able to make it by the end of this video. So, do watch it till the end. And a very special part of this video is that this is made using original flower. The texture, the floral texture above it, you see, it is just imprinted from an original flower. So the idea basically is that you guys, like whatever you like, especially girls and guys, everybody gets flowers nowadays, and we just discard it after keeping it in water for a limited period of time. So you can definitely make n number of product to keep that special thing alive in some corner of your home. It can be a candle or it can be again a clay trinket. In this, you will preserve it forever. So this idea, definitely you can follow it and maybe gift it a thoughtful gift, curated, hand curated gift. It's just amazing idea. Okay, so now coming back to the video, we will learn how to create it from the initials. So I have used what we get in the market, the airtight clays. You can buy it on Amazon or maybe on a local stationery or craft store. And yeah, in my next video, I will definitely teach you how to make a homemade clay also. So do follow me for future updates and inspiration and more such creative, thoughtful ideas. And so to begin with, we will just start and we'll see how it comes. So to make this product, basically you need nothing to be honest. You just need clay, how much ever the size of the product depending on it. You just need clay, some water, and yeah, some natural elements like maybe flowers, or if you don't have flowers, you can go for leaf or a palm tree leaf, which is a little bit thick to create a 3D structure kind of thing. So rest is totally your creation and inspiration. And I have used a basic like acrylic color on it to paint the surface, and at the end of it, I have just used the gloss to give it a finish and to seal my final color and textures. is a very important process. I would say the game changer for my shades of the flower. So I have basically first I thought ki I will make it like original, like what flowers I have used it was violet, so I wanted to use that color. But then I was not gifting it to anyone, and then I thought yellow would go good with red, and I just went with the primary shades. And so this is how it came. I made it full yellow and I wanted to make it a little bit wine and that kind of shade. So I just took another brush and dipped it, and from that brush I'm taking the color like tiny tiny small things so that it just gives a little bit of tint. So you can utilize this trick in any kind of shading, coloring, making tones on clays or any paper or any kind of thing. It always works. And even whatever you don't imagine also now you create that with this kind of technique. So do try and I'm sure you would just make amazing pilot. So I have been a very lazy artist and I love doing artworks, but after that the cleaning process I really hate it. And yeah, so along with this video I will show you how I clean my brushes side by side. So whether you are just using a base paper or something, you can just dip it in water and just do this like some kind of splashes and just use it raw on that sheet or maybe cardboard or anything, and your brushes will be completely cleaned. I hope you enjoy this video. Please share your experience in the comment section. And if you loved watching this, you must watch my other video, which is also regarding the trinket, but that is a more creative and naturalistic art. Just see this product, and you can just go to my YouTube channel and watch this video also.